Welcome back to another String Tip Tuesday. I want to talk about something that's kind of basic but often not thought of that will help you improve your inventory tracking for your home business or your shop, whichever you do. If you primarily string out of reels like I do, you know that every different gauge has a different look to it as to how full it is. They also have different weights to them, so sometimes it's hard to determine by looking at them how much is left in a reel. The methodology I use and that I've seen others use is I draw little circles on the reel, 4 circles with 4 divisions between them. So when I use those first 4 circles, I'm a quarter way through the reel. Next 4, halfway, and so on. You kind of get the point. And what I do is as I use them, like I've used 2 half sets because I did 2 sets of mains tonight with this, I'll mark it off with an X. So one line is indicative of a half set, an X is indicative of a full set. I've seen guys do it like this with Sharpies. I've also seen guys that have stickers custom printed with 16 little boxes or even 32 little boxes. And that'll just make it a little bit easier for you to keep track of how much string you've used off the reel, and it'll give you a better idea of when it's time to order more string if you're just kind of going reel to reel without super huge backstock. Hope that helps. See you next time.